Chihuahua here, and today we're gonna be playing Survive the Killers with the Mr Beast Cat. Just to let you know, he changed his name. His new name is technically the King Cat, the King of the Cats. King Cat, King of the Cats. Yeah. But make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure not to miss any videos. So let's get do this. So we have Jeff the Killer. So let's try to survive. Me and Mr Beast Cat will be trying to survive. Okay. Who's this tall baconing man? Dude, what the bacon? Okay. Okay. They have baconing lockers. What the bacon? It looks dirty. And that's the baconing bathroom. It looks dirty as a bacon box. The bacon, is this supposed to be a school or something? What? Just the killer is here. Actually, it opens in 3 minutes, so we gotta run. Okay. Dude, that's the tall man. I see red. Oh my god, I just saw Jeff the Killer crawl. What the bacon? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the bacon? Where is Beast Cat? Where is he? Somebody was defeated. They just died. So, okay. Where is Beast Cat? Hopefully we won't die together. What is this? I don't know. Where is Beast Cat? Where is he? Hello? Beast Cat. In events. See in events. Sometimes he hides in events. Yeah. There you go. He's not even baconing there. Wait, let me check this part. Oh, what the bacon? Ah! Ah! Oh my god, revived. Thanks, Beast Cat. We finally found him. Ah! 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 Let's run. Beast Cat, be careful. I think he's dead. Is Beast Cat dying? Wait, let me go check. Go try to see him. I don't know. I'll go there. Anyway. Okay. Ah! Like the bacon. I knew I would die. Ah! Just hide. Okay. Get Beast Cat, I got you. Ah! What the bacon? What the bacon? I mean, Beast Cat. Oh my god. What was that, Beast Cat? Okay, I'm hiding in here. Okay. Beast Cat's still in the game. Yeah. Okay. So. The tide. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys now. I just went into my name is Lola for reals. Like Lola _ and then the number 4. Oh my god, I just died. What? The number 4. And then has reals but 2 S's at the end. That's my new name. Because technically it doesn't let me go on my other user. So there. But, dude, what the bacon? Somebody's name is LOL. Okay, that's weird. Round over. Okay, I'm on top of the tree. Okay, I'm literally on top of the tree. This is weird. I just jump on the light and get on top of it. Oh, Beast Cat doing it. Yeah, he got on the tree. We're both monkeys right now. Oh my gosh. Or squirrels. Something. Oh, Beast Cat fell. This is what? That was the most ugliest skin I saw. It's just some ugly killer. You guys will see soon, but there's some ugly killers, so come on, Beast Cat, let's find an event. Okay, Beast Cat, we gotta be careful. Which place should we pick? Oh, this looks like the best spot, Beast Cat. Let's go in. Let's hide in these, because it's close to like the exit, so let's hide in there. The LOL dude is here. Okay, guys, stop going here. You can just go in the other place, because me and Beast Cat are hiding here. Okay. What? Okay, I revived King Cat. Ah! But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What the bacon's going, but like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure not to miss any videos. Bye guys, peace. Bacon!